I don't know if anybody hears this out there. It says I'm online, but I don't know if I am. So, looks like our servers went down. I don't know where Paul is. So I'm just trying to get a stream back up so we could follow the markets. Try to figure out what's going on here. So I don't know if this is up and running or not. If it is, somehow let me know. The chat rooms are down. Oh man, what a disaster. What a disaster. Boeing's moving back up here, I see. What else do we have? Let me see if this is up and running. I don't know how I'm going to even check. Oh, I am. Crouching Hedgehog says I'm up here. All right. Well, we'll see if it works here. I mean, right now the situation is our servers went down. I'm looking for Paul to see what's going on. And so I'm just switched over to the YouTube feed. But I can't even get in touch with anything here. So at least I'm back. I haven't lost connection with my trading. I'm able to do this fine here. So EXL, we did buy some Boeing here, and I tell you, I wouldn't be shocked if this thing made its way back up to that 240 before the end of the day. Looks like we were maybe a little early on the entry, but now we're in the money, so that'll work. I think that's going to work out good. Snowflake has gotten up here. 240 seems to be a big level on Snowflake, SNOW. Can't get through that level, and where's the JAWS? I don't have everything up on my screen here. A little pop to the highs of the day on AUPH. Take a look at the market today. I haven't looked at an ES trade or an MES trade yet. More of the bounce here on Boeing I think we're going to get, and possibly taking off more Google, but that looks really strong. I don't know if we even want to get rid of that. PLTR is has my interest in it, and NET is always a good one to go back to and continue to watch this. I think we're going to tackle those highs here soon. So I want to maybe be part of that. 60-minute time frame is kind of just pulled back. It's giving us some time, which is good. Nice little. That's what we always like to buy a great stock on a pullback. So this little pullback like this is even worth considering. I want to take the Microsoft off my screen right there because I'm not really paying attention. There's the JAWS here, which I tell you, it's having a hard time with 13. I have a tremendous buy trigger on it at $14. If it gets to 14, it should go. But you can see we're in this long, kind of drawn out channel. It's more of a wedge pattern, but very kind of under the radar type of stock. Not really catching any press or anything like this to really move a stock like this. So we're really just sideways. We tried to break out here. We pulled back, chopping around. The daily, I think, tells a much nicer story here. you know, the recent SPAC made the deal, good deal, comes all the way up, gets hit with the SPACs, but most of the SPACs come back to their NAV value. You know, the good ones seem to hover, you know, and kind of hold on to at least some gains. So Jaws is kind of one of those more positive SPACs that worked out, and it wants to go higher here out of this channel. Pain in the ass, waiting for something like this to grind out. So $14 would confirm that breakout. I believe $14 would easily confirm that breakout of the channel. And you could probably move that down even now to like 13.74. That alert came in probably based off of this candle last week, so it's closer to that range, and it's just been waiting here. But until we get through $14, I see some volume. I don't know, just hoping on that one. Smoking the hopium. What else? Let's take a look at the EXEL. Came back pretty good from yesterday's candle. And again, this candle wasn't really a great candle. There was an after hours print for 2 shares down at like 24.08, which really didn't trade down at that level. So this candle's all messed up. It's not a real, you know, you'll see it. Look. Yesterday's candle, if you can see that candle. No, you can't even see it. Or maybe you can on the 5. No. Oh yeah, maybe that was it down here. No, that wasn't it. What are you talking about? Anyway, that's actually holding that underlying trend line. I like this 5-minute chart on it. Didn't even consider looking at it that closely. 60 minute looks fine. 60 minutes oversold, starting to turn back up. Daily's choppy up there. Watch for the volume. So I haven't heard from Paul yet. I don't know what to do. Hope everything's okay. Hope he didn't go to Elizabeth City. Come on, Paul. Where are you? Come on. All right, EXEL, let's see here. I wonder if this is playing on the outside of the site. Or it's a totally different channel. I don't know. Oh yeah, I'm on the outside of the site. All right, so that's good. All right, so market here kind of rolling over now. So 3 points. Google back under 2,400. Well, this thing has moved around quite a bit. EXCL has been grinding back up. Jaws has been doing nothing. PaySafe has been doing nothing. I think there's going to be a MES trade coming up here, if not something a little bit more interesting. This is kind of pretty big waves in the market. I keep on wanting to put on the news, you know. So how, you know, I don't know if anybody's out there listening that's in the on our platform, but our platform, man, it's just it has so many, you know, bells and whistles that help you trade. You know, all the indicators, all the I mean, the chat room is so informational. The traders trading, but then you have the news. You know, having that news and that music behind you. It's something about it. You know, all put together. Have all those things coming in. It's like a circus. It's not for everyone. I tell you that, it's not for everyone. But the good thing is you could mute whatever you want. You control the volumes for everything. And I realize now, you know, you hear that in the background? That's the Rockbot. So you would have the Rockbot there for you. So the Rockbot just took a trade here. That's another computer next to me on my left-hand side on it. Now there was kind of a little rollover here. Came down to the VWAP, flushed through it a little on some volume. There was anything here. Again, kind of blind right now, driving blind. Because of not having all... Oh, well, I do have my news feeds and stuff. Let me see what I got here. I think I gotta open up the chat room in the YouTube so I know who's talking out there. Let me see. I'll pull that down. Pop out that chat. Put it over here and see who's in the room here. Oh, Mr. Land is working on the site, and Tick Strike is working too. All right. So I mean, it's not like you can't get to the site. It's just that I can't get to all the servers are offline. So I know. I see it on my screen. The only thing I have online is my computer here and my computer at home. Everything else, news. But it says the news is off. Oh yeah, the ADMA, you know, all over that. Bowen here. Come on, Bowen, let's get going here. Don't need it turning over again. Oh, here's Paul now. There he is. Hey, Paul.
Hey, try your screen.
All right, I have it. I went on to YouTube.
Oh, okay. I was on a motorcycle and just got the Dawn's sons. Did you, by any chance, did you change your settings back on your?
I did change him back. All right, I'm going to turn it off. I'm actually going to turn it off and then we're going to go switch back over to day trading range. So just it'll come back.